Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. With today, I have an arm full of packages here. I have one from UPS, one from USPS, and one from Fedex. So, and I'm not too sure what's in all of these boxes. So if you're interested, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. So as you see, I got some happy mail packages, and one from USPS, one from UPS, one from FedEx. I know what a couple of them are, but I don't know what the third one is, so I'm gonna open that one first. But before we do that, let's get with our gratitude card today. And I've been trying to mix these up, you know, like the one day gratitude, one day you know, for women, the cards, the affirmation for women, but they're all affirmations, right? And so let's do this one. And I know some of you really like the gratitude card, so let's pick one. And very simple but pretty. There it is. But it's written a little small, okay? It says, the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And it's Oprah Winfrey. Very nice. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And that is so true, right? That's, you know, that's another way of saying things go in circles, right? It's what you send out, what comes back. And I think there's not enough celebration out there of just things in general in life, right? I mean, you accomplish things on a day-to-day and you're just like, yeah, I got that done. Okay, you know, but no celebration. And that's another thing that, like, in leadership that we're told, you know, small gains, celebrate it a little bit. I mean, don't, you know, make it proportional to what the, you know, what the successes are, but you should still celebrate small gains as well. Okay, so like people might be out there trying to lose weight, right? And they lose 2 pounds. They're like, 2 pounds, so what? But no, celebrate it. Celebrate it and really give yourself a, you know, pat in the back, because it sounds easy to you, but some people struggle losing 1 pound. They go the other way, right? And so I like this. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. So yeah, try to celebrate small things in your life just as you do your birthdays or big things, okay? Because there's a lot more little things in life than there are big things, okay? So, good card. Okay, I'm really excited to open these boxes, especially this one that I have no idea what it is. And a couple of them, like I said, I do know. One I think is my add-on from BoxyCharm, but it's a very small add-on. I think I got 2 things in there. This is a box that I don't know, and it says it's from Origin ID Olivia. I have no idea what that is. Unless it's something that somebody sent me to like try or something. I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay. Easy going. Huh? Okay. Chanel. I would remember if I ordered something from Chanel. And I'd be waiting for it. What is going on here? It's an envelope. And what's in the envelope? It has a return address thing. It says a gift. A gift. Let's see. Hold on. Let's open it and see what it is first. It's packaged beautifully though, right? Look at it. Okay. Oh, it's another card inside too. Let's see. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It explains it. I'm going to go ahead and open it and tell you the story real quick. And, oops, wow, man, this is like a plastic seal. It's not even a sticker. It's like a plastic sticker. Okay. Huh. like this, and it comes with some kind of a, I guess a gift, a Chanel mesh bag. Chanel number 5. It looks like a cute little grocery bag or something that you would actually carry with you to the beach. Very cute. I think this is a free gift, and it must be. And there is, golly, you talk about fancy. Okay, here we go. There's another Chanel bag. And there seems to be a couple of samples. First one is Chanel number 5 Paris Eau de Perfume. And this is the original Chanel number 5. And this one looks like number 5 Chanel. And this is, Linute. Yeah, the lighter version of it. Okay. And the actual, let me put this back. Man, they do it right, huh? Gosh, okay. And then what's in this box? This is the original packaging of Chanel number 5 Eau de Perfume. And I believe, I really don't want to open this like this. Yeah. And this is how they used to package it. Really, really fancy. But wait a minute. Is that how it goes? I don't want to cut something I'm not supposed to cut here. And, no, it is. Okay. Wow. Okay. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay. Okay. And this is the factory version of Chanel number 5. Look at this. And this is Eau de Perfume by Chanel number 5 by Chanel. And the story. You see that, guys? I have like a teensy weensy bed left. This has been my favorite perfume for like forever, okay? And my husband noticed it on my counter that it's like almost empty. And he knows that I'm not going to use it all up because I'm going to wait for a special occasion. So, I guess he went on the Chanel. That's why I asked him. I said, did you order? And he kind of smiled like, yeah, there it is. Because he knew I was going to hold on to this for like 3 years, this little bit, and use all the other perfumes around it. So he said, just use it. And, you know, now, because he said that to me. And then there's something in the card that triggered that. So, yeah. Okay. Now I know what it was. I was like, what the heck is in that box? So that was very sweet of him. So because he's been saying, we're moving, just use it. I mean, you're going to pack that little bit? I'm like, yeah, but that's all I have left. And so, yeah, well, he fixed that, didn't he? So, yep. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put that aside. And, okay. Okay, now the next one, this one here, I'm going to, you know, it's dirty. Look at the label. It's really dirty. I mean, it's like somebody put a coffee on it and they spilled on top. And it's like, oh my God. And this is BoxyCharm. And this box is so beat up right now. And I'm like, and it looks like somebody opened it actually. Yeah, it's not even really taped right. Yeah, this is always disturbing nowadays. You know how I get my packages from BoxyCharm. It's just that they don't pay attention to anything. To me, aesthetics is very important, you know. I mean, that's half of my happiness. I mean, look at the packaging of Chanel, how happy that made me. So, okay, a lot of garbage here. And there's a big box for these couple of things. Yep, it is something that I ordered from add-ons. And it's a couple of things only. And here it is. And this is the Luxie Bronzer and Glow Set. And these are brushes. And it has the 2 sponges with it. And the other one is actually Luxie Radiance Set. And there it is. And this is a rose gold. They're both rose gold, different parts. And this has the, actually the foundation brush and everything else. And this is actually for the, they are different. I know you guys are probably like, did you just get 2 same things? No, they're different. But I'm going to save these because I do have one already open, but not by Luxie. And it was just so inexpensive that I just said, you know what? It's always good to have a backup. But the sponge I noticed are the same in both packages. So, okay, that's that. Okay, my last package, which is by Fedex. And I think I know what this is. I didn't get an email. I usually get an email from her to say that it's been shipped. Either that or I've been so busy, I can't even catch up on my emails. I can't actually keep up on my work emails, but that's about it. Okay, and, oh, yep, it is. It's Natasha Denona. And I got, yeah, some of these are actually for giveaway, so I'm not really going to open it. But what it is remember, I don't know if you remember recently, there were the buy one, get one free lip products for International Lipstick Day. Well, I buy one and got one free, a bunch of these things. And so let me see what shades I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which means I bought 3, I paid for 3 and got 3 free. So I couldn't pass that up, right? And also there's that, you know, I'm going to have big giveaways coming up here if you know, in the future. And so these are all I need a nude lipsticks, and I prefer them because they have a very nice buttery texture, and I think people would appreciate that. And the first one is in the shade of 11 MB, Natasha. There it is. Okay. And I really don't want to open them because it's going to go to the giveaway. And the next one is 3 MP, Yana. There it is. This is nice, nice, nice colors. And I got them in different shades because, you know, I don't know who's going to win the giveaway. And I want to make sure I kind of make sure that, you know, before I put it in, that it's appropriate. And I can ask. And the next one is Andrea. I think I have Andrea because I really like this shade too. Yeah. And I thought somebody else would like it. And the next one is Beatrice. And this one is 31 NP. Okay. And next is Nika. Yeah, Nika. Oh, Noah. Jeez. How did I get... Okay. No, never mind. My eyes. Noah. It's 33 NP. And the last one is, let's see, Allison, 13 NB. So, there we go. Okay, so like I said, I got 6 for the price of 3. And these are $25 each. So, actually, I got $75 worth of lipstick for free. And why not, right? I got giveaways coming up here, guys. And so, I'm going to go ahead and put all of these aside for that. Okay, and I think that's it. That's all my boxes I got to open. And it came in the mail like that. So, yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing by ringing a bell and selecting all. So that way you know every time I upload a new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.